In this video, we are learning about elephants, okay? Let's start here. What are elephants? Well, elephants are huge mammals that have a long trunk and big ears. Aw, look at this elephant taking a walk through a field. We mentioned that elephants are huge, and when we say they are huge, we are not kidding. In fact, African elephants are the largest land animals in the world, okay? And you might be wondering, just how big are African elephants? It's incredible. African elephants can get as tall as 13 feet and can weigh as many as 14,000 pounds. That is massive. So if anyone ever asks you what is the largest land animal in the world, you know what to tell them. The African elephant. How big can they get? As many as 13 feet tall and 14,000 pounds in weight. So elephants are massive, and African elephants are so big, they are the largest land animals in the world. Okay, but where can you find elephants living in the wild? Do you know? Okay, why are we showing an elephant in a neighborhood? Okay, this is not the natural habitat of an elephant, okay? They don't live in neighborhoods. Where in the world can you find wild elephants in their natural habitats? All right, we can work with this, a world map. Now let's look at the world map to find out where elephants live in the wild. Well, elephants live in the wild in parts of Africa, South Asia, and Southeast Asia. Let's say those places again and make sure you look at where they are on the map. Elephants live in the wild in parts of Africa, South Asia, and Southeast Asia. This next fact is a fact you're going to want to share with someone, okay? Check this out. A group of elephants is called a parade. Isn't that a neat name for a group of elephants? A group of elephants is called a parade. Now, if you ever see a parade of elephants, you're probably going to see baby elephants in the parade. Do you happen to know what baby elephants are called? Yeah, baby elephants are called calves. Can you say that word? Calves. Baby elephants are called calves. Now we are going to talk about a very special part of an elephant's body called the trunk. The long trunk of an elephant is super helpful. Here you can see an elephant using its trunk to eat. That is how an elephant brings food to its mouth, using its trunk. An elephant couldn't survive without its trunk. You see, elephants use their trunks to bring food and water to their mouths. They also use their trunks to breathe and to smell. The trunk of an elephant not only brings food and water to an elephant's mouth, but it also functions as their nose. Elephants also use their trunks to give themselves baths and more. Elephant trunks are so important to the elephants. Speaking of baths, elephants give themselves something called a dust bath. It might seem strange to us, right? Why would an elephant give itself a bath with dirt? But dust baths are a great way for elephants to help their skin and to fight against nasty insects called parasites. Isn't that awesome? For an elephant, taking a dust bath is a smart thing to do, which shouldn't be surprising because elephants are incredibly smart. They are incredibly smart. In fact, elephants have a larger brain than any other land mammal. That's right. And their brain can get as big as 13 pounds. 13 pounds! Imagine a 13-pound brain! Wow! Elephants are so smart and their brains are so huge. That is why elephants are famous for their incredible memory. Elephants have an amazing memory. They can remember places, other elephants, things that happen to them. They can remember people. They have an amazing memory. Next time you have a test, you could think, wow, I wish that I was an elephant and was able to remember so much so easily, but as people, our memory isn't as good. We've got to work really hard for it, but elephants can remember incredibly well. Okay, it is time for our final elephant fact, and it has to do with what elephants eat, and the fact is this: elephants are herbivores. Now, what's a herbivore? Herbivores are animals that just eat plants. And that's what an elephant is. An elephant is a herbivore, an animal that just eats plants. They don't eat meat. Do you like to eat plants? Cool. Plants are tasty and healthy too. Don't fight. Don't fight. You're going to remember it. Your memory is so good. Your brain gets as big as 13 pounds. You're going to remember it. Don't fight. Just get along, elephants. You're cute enough to get along. Come on. Come on, elephants. Come on.